Hello students, today we are going to see the third exercise in our fourth lesson. Exprimez ce que vous feriez s'il faisait bon ou s'il faisait mauvais demain. Express what you do if the weather is good or bad tomorrow. Express what you do if the weather was good or bad tomorrow. Let's check it out. See the example. S'il fait beau, j'ai rangé la chambre, nagé dans la piscine. If the weather was good, then see the subject pronoun is je, I, and then two verb is given. Okay. Additional informations, two verb is given. Ranger, nager. Nager dans la piscine. To swim in the swimming pool. So we have two verbs. Ranger la chambre. Ranger is two verb you are having. There is a rule. If the sentence start with C, first verb is in imperfect. In this case, see here, the sentence start with the C and first verb faire is imperfect and the second verb is ranger should be in conditional tense. And second verb nager in conditional tense. Nager or nager. Rager or nager. Two verb is given. Okay. See the answer. Si fait c'est bon. So first part you write as it is. Subject is je. You write as it is. First verb in negative form. You have to write a first verb in negative form. And second verb is in affirmative form. Okay. Like this you have to present the remaining sentence. This is the example sentence for you. The starting expression you can write as it is and use the same subject here. Verb, before the verb you have to use nager. Nager also you have to use je. Rager is in negative form and nager is in affirmative form, not in the negative form. See here, put the verbs ranger as well as nager, both the verb are in which tense? It is a conditional tense. The whole infinitive form they written as it is and then conditional ending ais because the subject is je, so they are adding ais. So you must thorough in the conditional tense. Okay. S'il fait bon, if the weather is good, what I would not do and what I would do. Both. If the weather is good, je ne rangerai pas ma chambre. I would not arrange my room. I would not arranging in my room. Je nagerai dans la piscine. I would swim in the swimming pool. I would not be sitting inside the room or arranging my room, but I would going out to the swimming pool to swimming. So, s'il fait beau, if the weather is good, so I will not sit in the room or I will not arranging the room. I would like to go out to the swimming pool, swim in the swimming pool. Like this you have to write. Okay, in the same model you have to write the remaining sentence. So okay, now how we have to write? S'il faisait bon, j'ai regardé la télé, travaillé la danjanda. If the weather is good, I to watch the television, to work in the garden. Randan means garden. Both the verb is in conditional tense. Was the first verb it should be negative in the right in the negative form and second verb is in affirmative form. See here. S'il faisait beau, je ne regarderai pas la télévision, je travaillerai dans la jardin. So regarder is already is in the infinitive form. So according to the subject, you have to write the ending in the according to the condition. Write everything, it is infinitive form, and according to the subject, AIS. And travaye in conditional is the, it is the same way you can write with the infinitive form and ending according to the subject. Okay, subject is J, ending is AIS. So remember this, if the weather is good, I would not like watch the television. I work in the garden. Okay. If the weather was good, I would not watch the television, but I would love work in the garden. That is the things. Number two. S'il faisait beau, lire un roman, jouer au télé. If the weather was good, I read the novel to play the tennis. So what you have to do? First one is you have to write in NERPA, and second one you can write what you have to do in a. So je lire is a irregular. You have to write it in the conditional form, but it is in the negative form. General rule, the word lead ends with re, remove e, get till r is the stem, and ending is ais. Okay, ais. So lead is the verb ending in re. So re rule you have to apply. And juve is the ending in er. So everything you can write, and according to the subject you have to write the ending ais. Okay. So now see here, s'il faisait beau, je ne rirais pas de mon roman, je jouerais au tennis. If the weather was good, I would not read any novel, I would play the tennis. Third sentence, s'il faisait mauvais temps, if the weather was bad, tu descendre dans la ville, finir les devoirs. You to get down into the city to finish the homework. If the weather was bad, tu ne dash pas. So, if the weather is bad, usually we are not going out. Okay. So, here the weather end is re, remove re, and you are getting the stem. Remove e, and the subject is tui, and add ais in the ending. Okay. Finir is a infinitive form. You can write as it is. Subject is tui, so conditional ending is ais. Okay. Fourth sentence. S'il faisait mauvais temps, vous marchez dans la parc, rendez votre chambre. If the weather were bad, you would not be walking in the park, you would be arranging the room. So marche should be in conditional, right? Write the whole things because it is ending in er. So according to the subject, IES is ending. Ranger is the right whole things. According to the subject, vous ending is IES. See the translation. S'il faisait mauvais temps. If the weather was bad, you would not be, you would not walk in the park. You would arranging your room. Last one. S'il faisait mauvais temps, nous sortir de la maison, nettoyer la tapis. We go out the house or clean the carpet. If the weather was bad, we would not go out of the house. Sortir should be go out, and shwatir you can write as it is, and according to the subject you can write the ending ios. Nettoyer is write the whole thing is in the infinitive form, and subject is nous. Please write nettoyer is, remember that y will become I in infinitive form, and then ending you can write. Okay. Nettoyer alone you have to remember, y you have to remove, and y is changed to is I, and according to the subject conditional is IONS. Okay. So this is very easy once you know to write the conditional tense. I already sent the video for conditional tense. Thank you.